Did you know that sea otters hold hands while sleeping to avoid drifting apart? This adorable behavior is called rafting, and it ensures that they stay together in groups, even while catching some Z's. Sea otters have a unique adaptation. They have the densest fur in the animal kingdom, which keeps them warm in chilly waters. But it's their hand-holding habit that truly captures hearts. Imagine floating in the ocean, gently bobbing with your best friend, never losing touch. And it's a sweet reminder of the importance of connection, even in the wild. Like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing stories.